Y'all, I'm back with another video. Hey. So, the first thing to get this thing started, you're going to want to part your hair wherever you desire your part to be. Then you will see me part my hair into about 4 sections. That way I can have a little bit less hair to work with. After that, you're going to see my smallest section, which is going to be my first twist. To that section, I'm going to spray my hair with water, and then I'm going to take my leave-in conditioner and distribute it evenly throughout that section. And don't forget to detangle your hair. Yeah, this is about all I'll be doing throughout this video, and keep watching to see how I'll achieve this beautiful twist out. And I will see you guys in the morning. Well, good morning, y'all. I'm back. I ain't gonna give y'all a whole concert today. But anyway, dang, my breakfast ain't even on. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take out my twists. Okay. Sure they're dry. Oh, they're not dry. That's gonna be a problem. Kind of figured something of this nature would happen. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and see what it looks like. If it's that bad, worst case scenario, I will put my hair in a puff. That's why I'm at. I decided to go ahead and take out my hair. It really does not look bad at all. Looks really cute. By the time it air dries, it's going to be some frizz. But, you know, I'm going to expect that anyway because it's not dry. So, you know. But I would advise that if you are doing your hair and you are literally putting water on your hair, so you're styling on wet hair, I would advise that you give your hair enough time to dry. Like, don't be like me and do your hair at 1 o'clock in the morning. I was just like, listen, I got to do something to my hair, and this little whatever style I had was going on, I couldn't, yeah, that was just the end. But yeah, like, just make sure that you're giving your hair enough time to dry. That's my advice from this. And honestly, like, it seems like every time I do these, my hair ain't never dry. So, and usually when I decide to do these, it's usually something quick because this only literally takes an hour to do. It's simple, it's easy, you know, all of that good stuff. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna just do a twist out. And then in the morning, my hair don't be dry. Or it's like I never do these when I'm gonna be in the house. Like, ever. Like, last week would have been a great time to do these. Or Sunday. But no, sister, you had to do it on Monday. When you had to, like, girl, what you doing with your life? I don't know, y'all. I don't know. But it's alright. It's not too bad. Most of the ones that are wet are on this side. The ones in the front are pretty good. And I did notice that the smaller ones were dry. Like, these were the very last ones that I did. And they're dry. So that would tell you something right there. To not only make your second swirl at the top, but at the bottom. I try to be consistent with that. Because I've noticed that when it's thicker at the bottom, it tends to dry slower. So yeah, that would just be my advice on this. But overall, like, I love it. I love my curls. I love that they are defined and everything. So yeah, I'm liking how it turned out, even though it's not, you know. That just lets me know that if it were to be all the way dry, it would have turned out better. I'm like, girl, yes, like, yes. So yeah, you can even wear the twist itself out, but the way I twisted it, it wasn't really in my best interest to wear them out. We do not want to disturb this curl. No, we do not. Barely a curl, but we don't want to disturb it. Because we got something here. Got something. Can't let nobody take that away from us. Not in here. Not in here. Okay. My lips is really black, and I'm aware of that. Yeah, just don't even come for me, okay? Don't even do it. Because I will be doing it to myself when I'm editing. Like, girl, why your lips dry? I know. Okay, I'm not sure about this front. I'm not sure. Not sure about this front. But it may be okay. But, yes, okay, it's doing what I wanted to do. But let's see if the curl is gonna do what I wanted to do. So that everything can be on the same page and look beautiful. Okay. Yes. If you notice in the video, I did something like this with my hair because I was kind of imagining or picturing how I wanted it to turn out. And that was why I came up with the idea to kind of start twisting them this way. And it literally did exactly what I wanted it to do. I'm really excited about that. Like, I really am. Like, yo, this is a prime example. Like, you gotta learn how to be okay in situations that you can't control. Even though this was a situation that I could control, I could have let my hair dry or did something else with my hair. But either way, like, you gotta learn how to be happy and not let bad situations get the best of you. Don't let it steal your joy, girl. Keep going. God got you. God got us. We're gonna be alright. And even through this crazy time that many of us have never experienced before, it's just like, oh, I don't know what to do. I'll tell you what I'm doing. Accomplishing goals left and right. Yes, I am, sister. Yes, I am. And this is cute. I like it. I love it. It's really cute. I just wish my curls looked the same way on camera that they do in my mirror. Cause like in my mirror, I'm like, yes, girl. Yes. Yes. I ain't doing too much separating. I'm gonna leave it like this. Go ahead and do my edges real quick. Really quickly. And I didn't even wash my hair. Like, look how, wow, yo. Wow. Like, it's not even flaky. None of that. As white as these twists was last night, you would think I would have some flakes. But no, sister. God said, not today, my child. Not today. Not today, my child. Not today. Today we'll have some poppin' curls. Yes, we are. These edges, girl, lay them down. Yeah, I'm actually glad that I decided to take this out. Yeah, like, I like it. It's really cool. It's cute. And we comfy. Look, we comfy. Can I show you? Let me see. We comfy, sis. We comfy. Alright, I'll be back with no dry lips, I promise. My lips won't be dry when I come back. Be dry when I come back. Okay, y'all, I gotta go. Here's the final one.